Hello and welcome to another colouring video. Small scale, another tea light. I think I only went wrong 3 times. Twice on the base and once on the top. Good learning experiences. A new approach, new technique. I'd love to do this on a platter rim. Maybe slightly different colours, not to repeat myself, so keep an eye out for that one in future videos. No more stickers today. Somebody please send me some stickers. So let's get straight on with it. Let's go. And I'm going to go for royal blue. You only need very, very little in there. Now I want to leave a bit of room to put a final coat of the bright blue on and leave enough uncovered wood for that to have something to really shine on. A little bit of metallic gold acrylic paint now. And that's ruined the whole effect. Should have been a bit more disciplined with that. Back to royal blue. Now, if I'm honest, I don't like that as much as before I cocked it up with the red. With the gold, I mean. And we'll have another go with the gold. Very lightly this time. Very lightly. Now, I'm actually putting on more than I had intended because I think the blue base had got so a bit mucky. Got to make a decision about this, whether it stays as it is or whether it comes off. I'm thinking it's probably going to come off. So let's start again. What have I learned? The gold was definitely the one that ruined it. But I want some gold coming through. So, rather than putting the gold on last, let's put the gold on first. Right, I don't know how well this is showing up because it's quite light on top of the bare wood. But there's definitely gold going on. Right, gold is done for now. So let's come back to some black, and going to need a bit more from the bottle. Okay, looking good here. Bit lighter here, so let's see what we've got left. Scoop some up. Now it's mostly blue that I want it to be, so I'm being a bit more liberal with this, with just bits of the gold coming through. I'll have to go back and look at the footage, but I think my favourite was before I put the gold on the very first time. I'm just going to put in a few places a little bit of the darker blue just to strengthen up the blue in places. Not everywhere, but I do want the dark of the blue coming to the fore. Right, that's that. Ah, that pleasing rattle of the ball bearing in a can only mean one thing. It's time for sanding sealer. Well, no doubt you can see it on many different cameras. There's one over there, one up there, and one up there, and you can just see it over my that shoulder. Still a bit shiny, still a bit wet, so common sense is going to prevail almost to first, and I'm going to wait till the morning. So yeah, time to turn everything off, although I might come back in an hour. Not entirely happy with it. I think it was worth giving it a go, but I really do like the shinier finish, so it's got to go. Right, I think that's going to look a lot better. But I could change my mind. Honestly, for something so small, I can't believe how many mistakes I've made on this piece. Right, there we have it. Finished at last. I'm finally pleased with it. It's very small in real life, isn't it? I'll put some still images up. It's had 3 coats of Chestnut acrylic gloss lacquer applied, and then had some burnishing cream, burnished at about 1200 RPM. I found if I do it at top whack, I do sometimes take too much off and it gets too hot and damages the finish a bit, and then you have to start all over again, and I've started enough again with this piece. So be great to have any comments or any questions that you have. I'm happy to receive them, happy to answer them, and if you haven't subscribed, it'd be wonderful if you could, and share the video and like it. That would be wonderful too. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching.